Good morning students. Let us study a structure which is a excretory system, which is a unit of excretory system. So can you identify children what is this? In the previous class we have seen that a bean shaped structure is present for the kidney. So can you see this bean shaped structure? So kidney is 10 centimeters in length and 5 to 6 centimeters in the breadth and 5 to or 4 centimeters 4 to 5 centimeters in the thickness. So the thickness of the kidney, the breadth of the kidney, length of the kidney we have seen. If you see the shape of a kidney, this shape is called as convex shape because it is dome shaped structure, convex shape. And internally if you see, it is a concave structure, cave like structure, concavity. So this is the concave feature of the kidney, this is the convex feature of the kidney. Each kidney, we have a pair of kidneys in the human beings, and each kidney is known to have a structure that is a pipe like structure. This is called as white one, ureters. And this ureter along with the arteries and the vein opens into the kidney. So see here, these three parts are present at a place. You call this as a fissure. So this fissure is the place where these three are known to arise from. And arteries generally bring the oxygenated blood to the kidneys, and veins are the ones which bring the deoxygenated blood to the kidneys. And if you see a region which is present inside the kidney only when you do the lateral section. So if you want to see the internal region of the kidney, you have to make the lateral section of the kidney. If you cut the kidney laterally and observe, what do you find? You find a structure called as cortex. So see here, this is the cortex of the kidney. So this region is called as cortex of the kidney. You can see the entry of the blood vessels inside, blue and red structures, arteries and the veins are connected and they are richly supplying the blood to the kidney. Now, the central region is called as medulla. So this central region you are calling it as medulla. Outer region is called as cortex. Outer cortex, inner medulla. Ureters, veins and the arteries. If you see these structures, these are the structures which are called as nephrons. Nephron is a unit of kidney. Kidneys contain nephrons. Kidney is made up of many number of nephrons. And can you see the structure inside the nephron? Line-like structures are present. These are the calci inside the nephrons. The region where I told you these three are present, you can fissure, you are saying. Fissure can be also called as hilum. So hilum or the fissure where the three are known to enter. Pelvis, this central region, can you see? This region you are calling it as pelvis of the kidney. So this region you are calling it as pelvis. So is it clear students? These are the different regions which are present in a kidney. Cortex, medulla, pelvis, nephrons, calci. This is the convexity of the kidney and this is the concavity of the kidney. Arteries, veins, ureters. This structure is the hilum or the fissure.